Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So to change the straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones. And to do it, we need to grab our watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever right here, and you can pull on it basically to release the strap. Sometimes it's a bit of a struggle to pull on it, but basically you need to grab it with your fingernail or maybe something pointy, and then you need to grab it and pull on it, and once you pull on it, it should release the strap. Like I said, it might be a bit difficult, but it's not impossible. And here you have a strap. Do the same for the other one. Pull on it towards the middle of the strap, like this, and it will release. And here we have our straps and our watch. And the mechanism behind it is quite simple. Basically, we have holes on each side of the watch. We have one here, and we have pins on each side of the strap. And basically, when the strap is on the watch, those pins are locked into a hole on the watch. And when you pull on this lever, it basically retracts this pin. And once it retracts, and I don't know if I will be able to pull it like this. Once it retracts, it releases the strap from your watch. Simple mechanism. Okay, and let's say you have new straps and you want to put them on. You grab your watch, you find the top part of the watch, which is this one. You take the top strap and you take the side further away from the lever, the opposite side. You insert it into a hole on the watch. So one side should be already like inserted, and then you need to pull on the lever, retract the other pin, and once you retract it, which is, like I said, a bit hard sometimes, push it in and align it with the other hole and release it, and then it will click in and hold. Same for the other side. So insert it on one side like this, retract the pin, which is a bit hard sometimes, and then push it in like this. Come on. Okay, maybe. It's still fighting with me. Okay, this time it went in and it did click in, so it is holding. Okay, and now we have both straps on. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.